Hi, welcome to the demonstration of the MyNature National Park app. This particular one is on Yosemite. All the national park apps we have in the series operate in the same manner. There's 4 categories on your main page: tracks, trees, wildflowers, and the MyNature Journal. With the park series apps, you can identify animal tracks, obviously. Over 30 animals in each park. Their scat, their track, trees. Depends on how many native trees are there. Sometimes it's as few as 20, sometimes more than 30. And wildflowers is the big one. You're going to get 240 flowers in Yellowstone, about 220 in Yosemite, down to 120 in the Grand Canyon. But let's go through it quick. If you've seen any other apps, you know how the animal track app works. Identify tracks, scat, animal sounds, view all animals, life list. And basically, I'm going to do this quick. You walk through the track selections, match it up to what you have in front of you: 4 toes, 5 toes. And then you're going to go to the next selection of the 4 toes, round in shape, meaning a cat, or square or oval, meaning a canine. And that is going to walk you through to the shape of those, where it's going to bring you to a fox, a coyote, or a wolf. Obviously the bigger one is going to be the bigger mammal. And once you select that, you'll get to the page where you can view the slide bar and view, if we can do it quick, view all of the digital pictures of animal tracks. And every animal has a feature like this: a gait pattern, illustration of the gait pattern. We're not going to do too much. I want to get onto the wildflowers since we haven't covered that in an app yet. But all the pictures are expandable: scat, tracks, sign, range maps. Pretty unique, pretty detailed. So we're going to go back and we're going to cover wildflowers first. We do have a tree app demo, but this is the wildflower. Same concept. Identify all flowers, view all species, life list, other info. We're going to go to identify flowers, and that's going to give you a 15 question list again. And you're going to go through those 15 questions. You answer as many as you can. You can use this as a search engine all by itself. You can answer 1 question. You can answer 3 questions, all 15. It depends on what you want to do with it. But very simple. If you see red flowers, you can just go down here to question number 9. I'm sorry, question number, where's our color? Question number 8, and you can just pick what color flower you're looking at. And if you wanted to sort through there, you know, we're looking at an orange flower. Let's see what we got. And you can just customize this to whatever you're looking at. California poppy. There's a nice illustration of a California poppy. We can also see a digital image. That'll expand. Beautiful shots in here. There's all your text describing the flower, when it flowers, the habitat, how big the leaves are. The leaves are a really important part. There's great leaf descriptions in here. But that's basically it. Everything is illustrated. If you wanted to, you know, how many petals does it have? Just sift through, select the number of petals on there. What shape resembles the flower: flat, thistle-like, central disc, cup-shaped, bell-shaped. Just a lot, really easy with the illustrations. And again, you can customize that to however you want it to work. View all species. You can just see, scroll through all the species of flowers in Yosemite Park. 200, there's over 220 in there. And we can do a brief look at trees. I don't want to make this too long. Trees, the same thing. Trees with leaves or trees with needles. Display all. Search by 15 question again. Trees with needles. You know, just check your needles out. What groups are they in? The pine cones. You know, what size are the pine cones? What shape are they? And all that will cover that. And let's go egg-shaped. Let's see what's egg-shaped in Yosemite. Douglas fir. Let's take a look at a cone. And we're going to find a cone right up here. And there's the cone for Douglas fir. Beautiful pictures. And that's basically it. Trees, tracks, and wildflowers at Yosemite National Park. There's also 5 more in the series right now. Grand Canyon, Yellowstone, Glacier, Grand Teton, Sequoia, and Kings Canyon. So find us on the web, www.mynatureapps.com. Look for us in the iTunes store, in the MyNature apps. Search for National Parks. You'll find us there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.